Hello students, welcome to our maths class. Today we will begin with a new chapter, that is addition with carrying, and we will see sums of 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. Right? I hope you all will enjoy this lecture. So now let's begin with our session. So let's start our lecture with the topic addition with carrying. Add 1235 and 426. First of all, we will understand this question in the form of block sheets, right? See, here there is a block of 1000 and this sheets, there are sheets of 100 blocks. See, here there is a one sheet of 100 blocks and second sheet. So 200, and then comes the tens place 1, 2 and 3. So 3 sheets of 10 blocks. So 30, and then comes 5. Okay, for the next number 426. 400 means 4 sheets having 100 blocks, and then 2 sheets having 10 blocks, and then comes 6 blocks, right? Now for addition, we have understood that we should start adding a digit from the right hand side. Now we will add from right hand side. So here 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. But till now we have studied only the digits having only one digit answer, right? But here the answer comes in 2 digit. So we will add this 10 here, right? And this one here. So there will be total 6 sheets of tens, right? Then we will move to the tens. Now see, here there is 1. Here there are how many sheets of tens? 5. But plus 1. Why? Because we have added one carry. So 6. And then we will go to the hundreds. How many sheets of 100 blocks are there? Total 6. Right? So here comes 6. And one sheet of 1000. So the answer is 1661. This was only for your explanation. Now we will go to the sum. See, here we have done in a different manner. 1235 plus 426. See, first we have to start adding from the right hand side, right? So on right hand side comes 6 plus 5. And we have seen that 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So we will put 1 down, and as our answer is coming in the 2-digit number, we will put the 1 here, the digit which comes on in the place of ones, we will put it down, and the digit which comes in tens, we will put 1 carry on the tens side. So now 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So here we understood that if our answer, if we are starting from ones to thousands, if on the ones place our answer is coming in 2-digit number, we will only put once the digit which is in the ones place, we will put it down, and the digit which comes in the tens place, we will put 1 carry, right? Now we will look some sums, so you all will be very clear. See here, 59 plus 16. We will start adding from the right hand side. So 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is equal to 50. See, here in the ones place, we are getting answer in a 2-digit number. So we will put this ones place digit 5 down, and this tens here carry, right? So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So our answer is 75. Okay. Now we will shift to the second sum. 8 plus 7. Now, what is 8 plus 7? Yes, see again. The answer is coming in a 2-digit number. So, we will write the ones here and the tens here. 2 plus 8 plus 7 is 15. So, we will add 1 carry. Now, 2 plus 1 is 6 and 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. So, our answer is 65. Okay. Now, third sum. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9 is again 15. So, we will put 5 here and 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. So, our answer is 165. Now, the fourth sum. 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. So, we will put 0 here and 1 carry. Right, now 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is again 1. So 1 and then 6 plus 2 is 8. So answer is 810. Okay. Now next sum. 9 plus 4. Now 9 plus 4 is 10, 11, 12 and 13. Right. So we will put 1 carry and 3 down. Now 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 2 is 6. Right, and then we will shift to the hundreds. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Okay. Now next sum. 847 plus 135. Now 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So we will put 2 here and 1 carry. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Right? And 8 plus 1 is 9. So, our answer is 982. Now, we will shift to the carry addition with carrying sums but of 4-digit numbers. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. So, we will put 7 down and 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 3 is 6. Then we will shift to the hundreds. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 and 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. So our answer is 7867. Now the 8th sum. 8 plus 9 is 17. Right? So we will put 1 carry and 7 down. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 5 is 7. Right? Then comes the hundreds place. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Right? And 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. So our answer is 3777. Ninth sum. 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. 3 and here 1 carry. Right? And then 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Then comes the hundreds place. 3 plus 4 is 7. 6 plus 0 is 6. So our answer is 6743. Then the next sum. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. 1 down and 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. You should count it by your fingers, right? With the help of your fingers. 0 plus 4 is 4 and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So our answer is 6471. 11th sum. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. So we will add 1 carry and 4 down. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So our answer is 6894. 12th sum. 6 plus 9 is 15. So we will add 1 carry and 5 down. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Then 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So our answer is 8785. Right? Now see, here comes 2-digit addition but of 3 numbers, right? So first we will start with the addition of 8 plus 8 is, count by your finger, 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Now put that digit in your mind and fix it. 16 plus 5 is equal to 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So now we will put 1 down and a carry of 2 here. Right? 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So our answer is 91. Okay. Now the next sum. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Right? And 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So I will put 1 carry and 6 down. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So our answer is 46. Now next sum. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. 15 plus 7. 15 plus 7 is equal to, yes, 22. Okay. Now 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 and 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So our answer is 82. Now the next sum. 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 plus 8 is equal to 22. So 2 down and a carry of 2 here. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7 and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So answer is 92. Okay. Now we will see some of the more addition sums, but of 3-digit numbers having 3 numbers, right? We will add it 2 times. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 2 is equal to, count by your fingers, 6 plus 2 is equal to 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So 2 down and 1 carry. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then comes the hundreds place. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Now we will shift to the next sum. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Now keep that 9 in your mind. 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. So I will write 5 down and 1 carry. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Right? Then to the hundreds place. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So our answer is 895. Now the next sum. 7 plus 9 is equal to, count by your fingers, 7 plus 9 is equal to 16 and 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. So I will put 2 carry and 2 down. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 and 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. Then comes the hundreds place. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So our answer is 982. Now our fourth sum. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Right? Now put that 13 and fix it in your mind. Right? Then 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. Now we will put the digit which comes in ones down and 1 carry. Okay. Now 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Then comes the hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So our answer is 665. Now we will see addition sums with carrying but of 4-digit numbers and we will add it 2 times, right? Different digits but 2 times. See here, 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Now 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So we will put 0 down and 1 carry. Now 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Right? Now 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then we will shift to the thousands place. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So our answer is 6680. Now second sum. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 and 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. So we will put 1 carry and 8 down. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Right? Then comes the hundreds place. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then comes the thousands place. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So our answer is 8968. Third sum. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, right? And 13 plus 7 is equal to 20. So we will put 0 down and a carry of 2. Now 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. Right? Then comes the hundreds place. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 and 8 plus 0 is equal to 8. Now 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 8. So our answer is 8880. Now the fourth sum. 0 plus 8 is equal to 0. Fix that digit in your mind. Now 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. So we will put a carry of 1 here and 7 down. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Then we will shift to the hundreds place. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Right? Then comes the thousands place. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. So our answer is 8977. So now here ends our today's lecture. I hope the sums of addition with carrying are clear. Thank you.